All right, join me on page 319 in the Go Math textbook. This is lesson 8.4. So subtraction property of equality. If you just subtract the same number from both sides of an equation, the two sides will remain equal. And I kind of showed you this with yesterday's lesson as well, because when we were making our equation models, I showed you at the bottom, remember, we would have our x and then maybe 2, and then over here, you know, however many, 4, and then I said, okay, you got to get the x by itself, so you get rid of these two, and then underneath I would show that we were taking 2 away, and then we also had to do the same thing to the other side, and again we were taking 2 away. This is the subtraction property of equality. It says if you take 2 away from one side of the equal sign, you must take 2 away from the other side of the equal sign, and then the equation will remain equal to each other if you do the same thing to both sides. Okay. So let's unlock the problem. The longest distance jumped on a pogo stick is 23 miles. Emilio has jumped 5 miles on a pogo stick. The equation d plus 5 equals 23 can be used to find the remaining distance d. In miles, he must jump to match the record. Solve the equation and explain what the solution means. Okay, let's get right to it. To get d by itself, we must undo the addition of 5. So we need to do the inverse operation, meaning the opposite. What's the opposite of addition? Subtraction. Subtraction is the opposite of addition. So, addition and subtraction are opposites. Multiplication and division are opposites. Okay. So write the equation. That's been done here. Use the subtraction property. So to get rid of a positive 5, we use a negative 5 or minus 5. We do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign. Okay. And then we have d plus 0 now, because this canceled itself out, leaving you with just your d. And on this side, 23 minus 5 is 18. So d equals 18. Check the solution. How do we check the solution? Wherever we see d, we plug in an 18 and see if it's true. So here's our d. So we plug in 8. We substitute, or excuse me, 18. We substitute 18 for d. 18 plus 5 is 23. And 23 does equal 23, so the solution means Emilio must jump how many more miles? Well, he already jumped 5, so he needs to jump 18 more miles. All right. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. We will cover page 320 in the Go Math textbook.